Here's some Aboriginal Dreamtime trivia. Subscribe. Which Aboriginal language group includes the Anangu people? Is it A, Pichanchachara, B, Warlpiri, C, Yolnumatha, or D, Noongar? The correct answer is A, Pichanchachara. Which structure is often used during Aboriginal ceremonies? Is it A, Bora Ring, B, Sacred Grove, C, Totem Pole, or D, Sweat Lodge? The correct answer is A, Bora Ring. What does Djirrik mean in certain Aboriginal contexts? Is it A, Spirit of the Land, B, Guardian of Trees, C, Voice of Ancestors, or D, Keeper of Storms? The correct answer is A, Spirit of the Land. What is the Dreamtime narrative involving the Milky Way? Is it A, Wombat's Journey, B, Rainbow Serpent's Path, C, Kookaburra's Song, or D, Daramulum's Path? The correct answer is D, Daramulum's Path. What is a gathering of Aboriginal people to discuss Dreamtime stories called? Is it A, Naidak Week, B, Cultural Festival, C, Tribal Council, or D, Corroboree? The correct answer is D, Corroboree. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.